Okay guys, good evening. Another session na naman tayo. Okay, so itong nakikita nyo dyan na green. Okay, yung mga green, red na yan. That is our form that we use to check our technical audit. Okay, so to any SEO technical thing dito. So this is one of our forms that we need to check or to audit, para ma-audit namin yung technical issues ng ating website. So, may marami yan, bale, andyan yung mga user interface, yung mga forms, mga CTA button, mga internal link, duplication, alignment, yan, and lahat yan, broken links. So, any problems on the redirects is something like that. So, everything is completed. See ya!